This hearing has been convened to gather testimony concerning the mid-air collision of executive jet November 711 Alpha Golf.
Part of TCA.
Military
What's that guy doing? My God, he's climbing straight up. 7 Alpha Golf. Turn right immediately.
7 Wednesday as the A-Team come to town for a friend's funeral, but they're in for trouble when the local Bobby boys try to run them out. And nobody wants the A-Team out of town. The A-Team taking care of business. 7:30 Wednesday on 10.
Is it true, Lieutenant, that you had navigation duties connected with this flight?
He's lying.